Boy Scouts of America is officially taking the boy out of Boy Scouts, changing the name to Scouting America. This comes as the organization is working to be more inclusive, bounce back from bankruptcy and a history of sexual abuse claims. They're also looking to boost their numbers. The change will take effect in 2025. Tim Kosnoff is an attorney at Kosnoff Law, representing 17,000 clients in the Boy Scouts of America Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing. Thank you for being with us this morning. You have called this window dressing and say that children are still at a great risk from the largest pedophile ring on earth. Explain your feelings on this change.
Well, it's discussed. This is a waste of money that should have been spent compensating the 84,000 victims of child sexual abuse and scouting over the last 50 years. This is an organization that's devoted to generating money for the top leadership. It's inexplicable to me. It doesn't change anything. And the fact that this is still the largest pedophile ring, in my opinion, is not just my opinion. This is from the director of the Scout Safety Program, Michael Johnson, who resigned in protest a couple of years ago because they wouldn't implement common sense recommendations that he had been insisting that they make. So, it makes no sense to me unless the term Boy Scouts of America is actually a double entendre, that it's scouts are boys, or it could mean those who scout for boys, which is sadly the long history of the Boy Scouts of America, which has just been rife with pedophilia. And notwithstanding the bankruptcy, nothing has changed. Not a thing has changed with this organization. This is window dressing.
Mr. Kosnoff, what has been done to address sexual abuse issues within this group?
Well, it's a good question. Structurally, they have done nothing. The problem, fundamentally, is that the responsibility for hiring and identifying and vetting and weeding out sex predators, pedophiles, and so forth rests with the moms and dads who run the scouting program at the local level, people who are really least qualified or resourced to be able to perform that task. And so somebody comes along, they're very good with scoutcraft, they love to work with boys, and to the parents who run the scout troop, think he'd be an ideal candidate. So they sign him up, and almost immediately he's working with boys. They've implemented an online program which scout leaders are required to take. I'm sure it's helped some, but the overall structure of the Boy Scouts of America has not changed, and it's going to continue.
You have said that you don't believe that this organization should be restored. It should be shut down. Do you still feel that way?
Absolutely. It should have been. I was the lone voice among all these lawyers who waded into the bankruptcy case for a quick buck, and in my opinion, threw their clients and all these other brave survivors under the bus. The funds that were set aside for them are paltry, and they're going to see very, very little compensation for what was done to them, and yet their legal rights were stripped from them by what I consider a corrupt system, this bankruptcy system that allows institutions that harbor child molesters to cleanse themselves of their liabilities, in this case, billions of dollars in liabilities for cents on the dollars. So I'm very bitter about the way it turned out. Nothing has changed. I was asked by your producer to, relay what some of my clients' thoughts were, and I thought a couple of these were particularly apropos. One wrote, their new mission, if it were honest, would be to groom unsuspecting good families and children with the ultimate goal of years of childhood sexual abuse. Then, instead of actually supporting them, we will devise a complex scheme with help from pedophiles to fully abuse the legal system and rule of law. Cynical? Yeah. Accurate? Absolutely.
Well, troubling allegations, and I know many of the clients that you work with have been through a lot. Difficult conversation to have. Tim Kosnoff, for time, I've got to leave it there, but thank you, sir, for joining us. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.